Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my first look using the BeautyBay Midnight Eyeshadow Palette with you. Do a chatty eye look. This blue look I've created today was inspired and dedicated to my Papa Rufus. I love how this look turned out. I'm just going to continue on sharing the tutorial and just kind of talking over top of it. I made a community post. The post only says it was a month ago. I know that it was more than a month ago. I believe I posted that late May. And after that post, Papa was hospitalized, I believe, one more time. He got to come home. He was having some arthritis, hip kind of problems and stuff. He also had congestive heart failure and COPD, some other health issues. He dealt with the COPD and the congestive heart failure for 6 years. They gave him a life expectancy after his diagnosis of 5 years, so I praise God that we got to keep him another extra year after that. But on June the 11th, my papa went on to be with the Lord. He passed away. I waited to talk about it because I made the post and I felt like I should let you guys know. It's been difficult because, you know, sometimes you have grandparents that are more than just grandparents to you. And Papa was the most wonderful papa ever. And he also was like a dad figure as well. He meant a lot to me and my family. So this was an incredibly hard pill to swallow, especially when, even though despite the fact that he was sick, we didn't really expect it when it happened. I believe that his heart gave out. The last thing he said was, this might be too much for some of you, but the last thing he did say to my nanny was, I'm gonna be alright. And he was really calm about it and stuff. So he was a Christian, so I believe he was either seeing an angel or the Lord was welcoming him in right then and there. He went on to be with the Lord. Yeah, it's been difficult. We had a small service on his birthday. He had a military style funeral, and he was cremated, and we got necklaces and some urns, and I have yet to put anything in mine. I'm just not ready for that, but I'll insert a picture of what my necklace looks like. He was a trucker and he loved trucking. He did not want to quit trucking, but at one point he got too sick to do it anymore. But he did love it so very much. Yeah, so I feel that this was sudden, even though he was sick. Maybe I just didn't want to see it, that he was sicker than what I thought. It's been hard. It's been really hard for my family. Nanny and my papa actually moved to my grandmother's house, my 93-year-old grandmother, has stage 4 cancer, to take care of her, and that is where he ended up passing away. So to me, I didn't expect him not to come back home. And my grandmother, she's having a tough time too because of her age. She can't have any kind of chemotherapy or anything of that nature. They just had to call in hospice. And so I started the beginning of the year. I'm 35, and I know a lot of people don't have their grandparents still with them at this age also, or as many as I have had or been able to keep, I should say. I don't know how to word it without sounding funny, but I started the year with 3 grandparents left, and I'll be finishing this year with 1. And my family's pretty close, so that's a really tough pill to swallow for us. That we're gonna lose 2 right together. A little over a month since Papa passed. We're busy, and I was keeping myself busy watching some Hulu shows like The Thing About Pam, The Act. I watched The Girl from Plainville. I've been listening to a lot of Motionless in White, especially their new album that they just dropped. Love it. If you don't know who Motionless in White is, are interested, definitely look them up. Especially the song Masterpiece. Another Life, Eternally Yours. Those 2 are the older ones. Love it. And doing lots and lots of makeup tutorials, just makeup in general, to keep myself busy. And like I said, I didn't expect, if you'd have told me at the beginning of the year, I'd lose 2 of them right together. But Grandma, obviously her cancer is spreading, and it's brought on other additional health stuff, and it's just been awful. So I just thought I wanted to give you guys a little update, because I made that community post and told you about Papa and Grandma and all the shiz that's been going on, and give you a little update and let you know. And I have to look at it this way, that Papa has definitely gone on to a better place. He's not in pain anymore, and we prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed for years for his healing. He got his healing. This was a form of him getting his healing. He's not in pain anymore. He's not hurting. He's not depressed anymore. I'm just being selfish by wishing that he was still here. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Just wanted to share this inspired look with you guys using the BeautyBay Midnight Palette and inspired by my Papa Roof. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you will try to look out for yourselves. Check the description box out for additional links as well as a product list. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. I thank you guys so very much for watching.